welcome back. So today I'm going to build the Lego Friends Heartlake City mini supermarket. At first I thought this was like a convenience store, but it's actually a supermarket. Okay, so let's see what's inside. This is so exciting. I just love building Lego. Okay, so we have one guidebook and also another one. So total we have like two guidebooks and also a shopping cart and like two gray Lego land and two bags of Lego. Okay, so we have two dolls in this set, and first this is Zach, and his clothes are not special. It's all the ones that we already know, and he's holding a phone and there's like a card in it so he can like pay with his card, but the card color is gold color, so it's kind of nice, isn't it? And he's holding a shopping bag which is green color, and that's very nice because I never had a green one before. So this is the second doll, and her name is Autumn, of course. And these clothes are new because these are like 2026 clothes, but I already have those, so it's not very new to me. But anyway, this card is new because I only had like yellow shopping carts, but this one is green, obviously, of course. So it's very nice to have some things like new colors. And by the way, there's also Dango. I forgot to tell you. So Dango is, I think it's Zach's doll, yeah. So we have a little basket over here with fruits and vegetables. So 2 carrots and a red apple, a banana, 2 cherries with different colors, a green one and like a dark, kind of like a dark pink one. So anyway, let's start building this not convenience store. It's a mini supermarket, yeah. So I hope they make convenience stores. Did they make convenience stores like Lego Friends series? I don't remember actually. I think they didn't make convenience stores yet. Maybe they did a long time ago, but I don't know, long time ago. So anyway, I think they should make some new convenience stores, because like this kind of looks like a convenience store. It doesn't really look like a mini supermarket. Anyway, we are building some yellow bricks over here. Looks very nice. So this is like a recycling place. You know, remember there was like this organic grocery store that was sort of like a supermarket, right? That one also had a recycling place. So this is a mini supermarket, so the size is different, but still they have the same recycling place, because you know Lego loves recycling stuff. You know, Lego always puts like plants, and Lego loves recycling, and there's always like solar panels and stuff like that, right? So that's why we have recycling place over here. Recycling is very important. Yeah, very important indeed. So anyway, there's like this recycling logo, right? That kind of looks like a triangle, you know, like circling shape. Yeah, and this part is kind of like the bakery spot in the supermarket, right? So we have like baguettes and like bread and like donuts, and this is like a self you know, like self checkout, should I say? You know, like you can do the paying by yourself. Like we don't need like the cashier. You know, like these days in supermarkets I only see like one cashier or something like that. So yeah, there are not a lot of cashiers these days. So anyway, there are like 2 parts in this mini supermarket. So we built the other part, and now we're building the other part. So the floor tile looks actually very nice. It's like pink and white, and we have a lot of like blue colors over here. So this is kind of like a cabinet, kind of like that, and like a display case. And so we have like a popcorn and also pretzels. So pretzels are very new this year, so they just came out this year. So yeah, it was also in the clubhouse set. So anyway, we've got pretzels and popcorn, and we also have a bubble gum, and there's also a sandwich. I think the sandwich should be in the bakery area, don't you think? Anyway, we have some like refrigerators, things that should be inside the refrigerator. So this is a strawberry, but it's in the bottom layer, so maybe it's like a frozen strawberry. I'm not sure actually. And we have lots of cheese and also some milk. Looks so nice. And we have another refrigerator over here, and there's like orange juice. So I guess the bottom floor is not really like the freezer, because an orange juice doesn't need to be in a freezer. So I guess the strawberry is just normal strawberry. Anyway, there's also chicken and like some blueberries, like kind of like blackberries. And of course, we also have plants, and we've got some noodles as well. Looks very nice. Okay, so now let's put these two together, and this is end of the build. It looks so nice, doesn't it? It's like really nice and cozy, and it'll be nice to play, you know, like markets. Kids love playing markets and like hospitals. They love those sort of stuff. Looks nice, don't you think? Like it's very colorful, like blue, yellow, and pink, you know, the three famous colors. Three famous colors. They look very nice. Okay, so now let's start playing with this that I'm very excited right now. Okay, so Autumn is here to do some recycling. So she's going to put this old bottle, wait, it slipped, old bottle over here, and she's going to do some recycling. Oh, hi, Zach. Hi, Autumn. What brings you here? I was just going to do some recycling, but I think I should also do some grocery shopping too. Yeah, I also need to do some grocery shopping. What are you gonna buy? I think I should buy some, maybe like fruits and vegetables, maybe. But before that, I also need to buy some baguette. Because we're gonna make like sandwiches. Ah, baguette sandwiches. That is just amazing. Yeah, and I also love donuts and like bananas and carrots. A sandwich that has banana and carrots? No, 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 I have the other ingredients already at home. Oh, I see, that's nice. I think I should buy some milk. Yeah, milk is good. Yeah, wait, it's kind of hard to take this milk out, you know, because like, oh, wait. Wait a sec, please. Wait, come on, milk, come out. Wait, why are you gonna buy milk? To eat some cereal, I guess. Oh, cereals are good. Yeah. By the way, you're buying a lot, Zach. Yeah, my mom gave me like a list to buy stuff. Did she tell you to buy orange juice and donuts? Not really, but I could add some extra stuff. I think I bought all the stuff in the list. I think I should better go to the cash register. Yeah, the cash register is right over there next to the recycling place. Yeah, I know. Thanks, Autumn. How many stuff did you buy? I don't know. Quite a lot, I think. So I bought a baguette and some orange juice. And I also bought a banana. And what else? There's also a carrot. And I also bought a donut, of course. And yeah, that's it. Actually, not that much. Yeah, it's actually not as much as I thought. It's because it just looks as if I bought a lot. That's because of the cart, you know? I didn't really buy a lot of stuff. But you know what, Autumn? I'm starting to feel kind of hungry. I'm kind of hungry. Yeah, me too. I'm kind of hungry too. Anyway, bye, Zach. Bye, Autumn. So now that Zach is gone, Autumn is going to use Zach's cart because, you know, Autumn's shopping bag is so tiny. So now she put milk and she's going to buy some other stuff. So let's see, what should I buy? I think I should buy a pretzel. Pretzels are so delicious. They are very, very nice snacks. And okay, let's see what else. I think I want some cheese, you know? Cheese is very good. Wait, cheese over here. What should I buy now? How about like a chicken? I think chicken is very good. Chicken looks nice. Wait a sec. There you go. Chicken inside the cart. And I think I should also buy some fruits and vegetables. Apple and a cherry, a green cherry to be exact. And what else? I think I should buy this bread. This bread kind of looks like a coffee bread. I'm not sure, but I think it kind of looks like it. And I love coffee bread. It tastes so good. I love everything that has like coffee flavor. I don't like coffee, but I like coffee bread. And I like coffee candy and like coffee ice cream and like those sort of stuff. Okay, so now Autumn is also paying for her stuff. Oh my god, I'm so hungry right now. Oh, I'm so hungry. So now Autumn paid for all her stuff. You know, she paid with her phone. Her phone that has like her phone and there's like her card inside her phone. You know, it's kind of like that. Okay, there you go. Now she paid all for all her like grocery shopping. And now she's also leaving the mini supermarket. Zach, what are you doing? I was so hungry. But you have to go home. You have to give your mom the food. Yeah, but I couldn't wait that long. What did you buy, Autumn? I bought actually quite a lot. I bought coffee bread, cheese, pretzels, chicken, apple, cherry, and milk and stuff like that. You could also eat here. It's gonna be like our picnic. Well, I am hungry, so I think I should eat here too. So, outside the mini supermarket, I know it sounds kind of stupid, but Autumn and Zach, they're having a picnic. Okay, so today I built the Lego Friends Heartlake City mini supermarket set, and I thought it was a convenience store, but it's actually a mini supermarket and it looks very nice and cute. So, this is the end of the video, and see you next time. See you next time. Bye bye. Bye bye.